Oi. Oi. How did you sleep?
Thank you, very good. What about you?
It was a very pleasant night.
Yes.
To spend with you. Oh yeah. Let's go to work.
Okay.
I need. Oh, hey, hello.
Hi. That's it.
Hey, we are the elves of Lapland, and we want to say that you are warmly welcome to Lapland and Äkäslompolo.
This is a magical winter wonderland. Welcome and meet us.